How to log in with Google Play in Brawl Stars. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were putting up the queries that how you can log in with Google Play in Brawl Stars. So if you're trying to log in with the Google Play in the Brawl Stars but can't find the option, don't worry. I've got you covered. In this video, I'll explain why Google Play login is no longer available and show you the best way to save and restore your progress. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you may have noticed, the Google Play login option is missing in the Brawl Star. That's because Supercell removed Google Play games as a login method in recent update. And now Supercell requires all players to use Supercell ID to manage their accounts instead. This change helps improve security, cross-platform play and account recovery. So, since Google Play login is no longer available, here is what you need to do. So simply use Supercell ID, the only official way to save and restore your progress, and to set it up, simply go to the settings and tap on Supercell ID. From there, you can simply tap on create an account. And after that, you just need to link your email and follow the steps to secure your progress. And once done, you can use Supercell ID to log in on any device, even across iOS and Android. And if you have lost your progress, just don't panic. You need to follow these steps. So open Brawl Stars and go to settings. And from there, you simply need to tap on Supercell ID and log in with the email you used for registration. And once you do that, your saved progress will load instantly. And that's it. Since Google Play login is no longer available, make sure to set up Supercell ID to keep your progress safe. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.